Planning to travel to Japan? Before applying for the Japan eVisa, it is important to make sure your passport meets the required conditions. The Japan eVisa is an electronic visa that allows eligible travelers to visit Japan without visiting an embassy. Once issued, the eVisa remains valid for up to 90 days, and travelers can stay in Japan for up to 15 days after entry. To apply, your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date you plan to enter Japan. If your passport expires earlier, your application may be rejected, or you may face issues during travel. Although the Japan eVisa is digital, travelers should still ensure their passport has 1 or 2 blank pages available, as immigration authorities may place entry or exit stamps upon arrival. It is also important to use the same passport for both the eVisa application and travel. If you have more than one passport, choose the one you will carry during your trip and make sure all details match exactly. Meeting these passport requirements helps ensure a smooth Japan eVisa application and a hassle-free journey.